designer.
And what exactly is your forte?
Well, I've been exploring new things since lockdown happened. Obviously, I couldn't do the traditional wear fashion. So at the beginning, I was just trying to figure out what's the best for me as a designer to move forward. And I started my bespoke business from ready-to-wear. So I relaunched the brand from ready-to-wear to bespoke business. Then slowly I realized there's still a market. There's a huge market actually for bespoke business. And then I was struggling offering my customer service because how do I serve them? Like if, for example, if someone living in India, they like my design and they don't know how can I meet Lulu? How can she do a design for me? Oh, it's too difficult. So I had a thought of how can I use technology to offer my service. So for example, can I Zoom call, of course, but then beyond that, can we do like digitized home service?
Yes.
The digital fitting, digital design, some software like Cloth 3D.
Yeah.
So that's something I'm working really hard on it because it takes a long time to. I love the beauty of made by demand, and that's my intake about sustainability. I mean, yes, we are committed to use sustainable fabric, but what can we do beyond that? I don't want to overproduce, and I appreciate my clients like the unique piece, exclusive piece as well. At the same time, how can I provide service and products that is not so expensive? Because when you mention about bespoke couture, the first thing is, oh, that's not for me because it's out there.
Yes.
So with technology, we can definitely achieve that. And also it comes back to the old way of one-off piece. You go to a tailor, you make a dress, only you have that dress, this design belongs to you in haute couture and couture. So with NFT, we can achieve that as well. If you got your own NFT token from one design, you own the design, and then we can make a dress from that design as well.
And you are all over the world. With this technology, you're everywhere.
I mean, technology is out there for everybody to use. There's a lot of channels, OpenSea's there, DALL-E, ChatGPT, and Midjourney. It's endless resource. I appreciate what AI can bring to us as a designer. I really appreciate technology because I think it's not best, but it can free us from a lot of things. So actually, we will be able to focus on our subconscious more.
Yes.
Yeah. But AI can work on the conscious bit.
Yes.
Yeah.
So do you think this is very good for fresh wear, or it goes for the luxury and the avant-garde? It works well there.
I think the message is here. Obviously, we're gonna release more NFT, but it still works for wholesale business. That means designers don't have to create physical collection anymore. You can actually use the technology to create digital collection. As long as the buyer like it, they will purchase. Obviously, there's production prototype need to be made before. It saves so much time, energy, and cost for the designer.
Yes. And with this, people are also getting more trained in terms of technology.
Yeah.
So probably the resources which they used to manually do work, they are now getting more skilled with this.
Of course, I mean, I don't think people lose job. Let's say the old school workers on the machine were working on computer information. Yes. To actually computer come to the whole process. Just the quality check, the teach process. In the future, we will have much quality working life.
Yes, I completely agree with you, and I think that's a wonderful message and a mission that you are working on, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.